Okay guys, I've been promising some cooking videos and I have not been following through. Tonight I don't really feel like making a huge thing for dinner. And I've talked about this recipe and just have not made it yet. I don't know what you call it. It's just something I concocted and threw together one night when I didn't feel like cooking. Occasionally, I will keep this on hand, even though I prefer to make my own rice because, you know, it has too much stuff, not too much stuff in it. It's just a lot of sodium. The ingredients are not really that bad, and it is gluten-free, but I don't know about the soy lecithin. And yeah, what tapioca starch? I'm not sure. You know, that's like not a bad thing, but just I don't know about gluten. I think you're supposed to buy gluten-free cornstarch. I don't understand that. It's cornstarch, isn't it? Gluten-free, naturally. I don't get it. Anyway, so I talked about the chicken sausage. So I bought different kinds this time before. So this time I bought the green wise roasted red pepper, queso fresco, chicken sausage, and I forgot to thaw it, so I'm going to put it in the microwave and defrost it and then cook it. And then I also have the apple Gouda chicken sausage, but I'm not going to use that tonight. I'm just going to use this. And there's some different kinds that I've bought. You can also buy, what's that, chorizo? I don't know how to pronounce that. Sausage that would be really good in this stir fry. And so I'm going to cut up green peppers, zucchini, yellow squash, onions, and put some carrots in there too. Usually I put mushrooms in there too, but yeah, I don't have any. So let me cut this up and then get it started. So I have my little garbage bowl here, which I bought a couple months ago. I used to have an ugly bowl, and I didn't want that on the counter, so I decided to buy this pretty bowl I got from Target to keep it on the counter at all times. I just usually have it over here, and then I can have it to put my garbage in when I'm cooking, yada yada yada. So alright, let me cut this up and get it started. I'm going to cook the green pepper first because, you know, that, and the zucchini because that cooks, takes longer to cook than the rest of the vegetables. I'm going to get this started defrosting and put this back in the freezer for another day. Up, I decided to, what do you call this, julienne the zucchini and the squash. I usually don't cut it like that, but I thought I would be a little fancy. I'm so fancy. And I'm not sure if I want to cut up another onion or not. We typically like a lot of onions. Let me see how that goes. So I want to cut up the sausage. It's defrosted. This is not cooked. I have bought some previously, and I'll try to put a link down below to the other sausage that I'm talking about. I don't know if I can find the link, but if I can, through Publix or Target or something like that. And obviously you can't buy it through the link, you know. You have to go to Target and buy it. Or unless you do the online thing, the Target pickup. Target does pickup now. So, or curbside pickup, whatever. So I'm going to cut this up and cook this. Like I said, the other sausage that I buy is pre-cooked, so you just have to heat it up. So I bought this before and it's good. So wait, look what I did. This is the apple Gouda one. I wanted the other one. Guess what? We're gonna have the apple Gouda tonight. So guys, I used my iron skillet 90% of the time, and then it's usually just out here on the counter. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil in there and turn the burner on and cut up the sausage and start that first. And the sausage, not too bad. Okay, I went ahead and cut up the other onion because I didn't think that was going to be enough because we're going to have leftovers. So I'm just going to put a little bit of salt and pepper. There's spices in the chicken sausage that is plenty to make it tasty. So I don't know that you really need anything else. So I'm just going to keep cooking that until, I don't want to cook it too much because I want them to be a little bit crunchy. And then I'm going to put the onions in and carrots in a minute. Okay, now I'm going to add in the rice. I'm just going to stir it all in until it's one pot. Guys, if you wanted your vegetables to be more crispy, one thing is I got a lot in here. So, you know, it doesn't really get crispy because it's more steaming than anything. So you might want to cook the sausage first, take the sausage out, put it on the plate, cook the vegetables, and then add the sausage back in, and then add your rice. So I'm going to add the rice now. Okay, it's all done. I took it off the burner. I am going to cover it up because hubby is not home yet from work. I actually made dinner before he got home. Woo-hoo, me. Woo-hoo. So I don't have a cover that's big enough, so this will have to do. And then when he gets home, we will have dinner. Yay. It is 6:18. Let's see. Y'all can guess what time hubby gets home tonight. We shall see. And then this is just easy peasy cleanup. I just need to rinse that bowl out and put this in the sink and wash these by hand because this can't go in the dishwasher. It's got the wooden handle. This is the Pioneer Woman. I really like the Pioneer Woman knives. Yeah, I have quite a few. So clean this up and be done. See, I did not make that much of a mess. Yeah, when hubby makes eggs, here's a disaster. I should show you. There's onions everywhere. I don't know what he does, but he makes an absolute mess. Shh, don't tell my toes. What is that? You're home? Isn't that funny? Guess what? I made dinner. It's all ready. I just finished it like 1 minute ago.
I can smell it.